What is up, YouTube? Okay, so in this video, I'm just gonna ask Victoria for a few recipe suggestions. So let's try. Hey Victoria, I'm kind of hungry. I want to make some lunch. Can you give me a recipe suggestion? How about some Mexican? Perfect.
Sure, how about making some delicious chicken tacos? Here's a simple and tasty recipe chicken tacos. Ingredients 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 packet of taco seasoning mix, a half cup water, 8 small corn or flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded lettuce, 1 cup diced tomatoes, a half cup shredded cheese, cheddar or Mexican blend, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, optional, 1/4 cup diced onions, optional, salsa, sour cream, and guacamole for topping. Instructions 1. Prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken breasts into small, bite-sized pieces. 2. Cook the chicken. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are no longer pink in the center, about 5 to 7 minutes. 3. Add seasoning. Sprinkle the taco seasoning mix over the chicken pieces. Add the water and stir to combine. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened and the chicken is fully cooked.
I changed my mind. I don't really want Mexican. How about a European food selection for lunch? Can you give me a recipe for that? I don't know if she's gonna get that one. That was like Irish gibberish. Let's see. Oh, she did too. Look at that.
Sure. How about trying a classic Italian dish that's perfect for lunch? Pasta carbonara. It's simple, delicious, and satisfying. Here's a quick recipe for it. Pasta carbonara recipe. Ingredients 200 grams spaghetti, 100 gram pancetta or guanciale, 2 large eggs, 50 grams pecorino romano grated, 50 grams parmesan grated, 2 cloves garlic crushed, freshly ground black pepper, salt for the pasta water, fresh parsley chopped for garnish.
All right. I changed my mind. What's a good thing that I could eat for lunch? Let's say Japanese cuisine.
A great Japanese option for lunch is a bento box. Bento boxes typically contain a variety of items such as rice, grilled fish or meat, pickled vegetables, and some type of salad. If you're looking for something simpler, sushi or sashimi is always a popular choice. Another option is a comforting bowl of ramen or udon noodles, which can be customized with different broths and toppings to suit your taste. For a lighter meal, you might enjoy a chirashi bowl, which is a bowl of sushi rice topped with assorted sashimi and garnishes.
Okay, those are great suggestions, but how about for bodybuilding? What's a good lunch recipe for a bodybuilder? Wow, look at that. Isn't that fantastic?
Certainly. Here's a high protein, nutrient dense lunch recipe that's perfect for bodybuilders grilled chicken quinoa bowl. Ingredients grilled chicken, 1 large chicken breast, about 200 grams, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon cumin. Quinoa, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or low-sodium chicken broth, a pinch of salt. Vegetables, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cup cucumber diced, half red onion finely chopped, half avocado sliced, 1 cup baby spinach or mixed greens. Dressing, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 spoon apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Cook the quinoa. Rinse quinoa under cold water. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water or broth to a boil. Add a pinch of salt, then stir in the quinoa. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and fluff with a fork. 2. Prepare the chicken. Season the chicken breast with olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin. Preheat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes on each side or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, 75 degrees Celsius. Remove from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. 3. Assemble the bowl. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and mixed greens. Top with sliced avocado and grilled chicken. 4. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and honey if using. Drizzle the dressing over the assembled bowl and toss gently to combine. Nutritional benefits. Provides essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Complex carbs. Quinoa offers energy-sustaining carbohydrates. Healthy fats. Avocado and olive oil supply beneficial fats. Micronutrients. Vegetables add vitamins and minerals crucial for overall health. Total prep time, 30 minutes. Enjoy your nutrient-packed, delicious, and bodybuilding-friendly lunch.
Thank you so much, Victoria. And for YouTube, we'll see you in the next one.
You're welcome. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Awesome. All right, see you in the next one.